welcome back to the channel. Here is Yvette again, and if you would like to see more of our cooking videos, then consider to subscribe to us. Today we are going to make a waffle recipe. It's not my recipe, it's from Dr. Eric Berg, but when I tried it out I thought this is really good, so I thought I will make it on a video as well. So let's get started. Add 1 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The sweetener of your choice, I will use swear, but you can use fiber yam or stevia or anything else. And I will use 3 tablespoons. A pinch of quality sea salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 eggs. And now you just mix this together. Alright, this is the consistency you want to get. This is the done dough. Alright, now heat up your waffle maker. I usually add a little bit of butter to make sure it's not sticky. And just let this melt on a bit. And now you can add your dough. Just a bit. Here and there. Very good. And you can close it. Okay, this seems to be good. And you just take them out. Now you can top this off with some sugar-free maple syrup. This is what I am going to use. Just a little bit. I really like this company. You can top it off with some butter. And if you like cinnamon as I do, then you can sprinkle a little cinnamon on it. And here you go. This is your keto waffle. Here are the waffles I made. Dr. Eric Berg recipe. Tastes really good. I topped this off with butter as you see, but you can put pretty much anything you want. You can use it as bread for your sandwich or put chocolate sauce on it. Oh, by the way, we're gonna make keto chocolate sauce video. It's so good. I tried it a week ago. I am going to come back with that to you next week. So if you wanna see that or see more of these videos, then stick around, hit the subscribe button, and bon appetit. Bye bye.